you didn't pay. This is so weird. Good morning. Today is our second day here in Milan, and we're going to Lake Como. Outfit. Now show your outfit. Trying to drink some coffee before we leave. We bought our ticket to Lake Como in Omio here right now. We booked a round trip ticket. Round trip to Lake Como is like 10 euro. So I slept here. This was the sofa, and it became like a really huge bed. Look how big it is. If I sleep, there's so much space. So there's like a lot of people who can sleep in this apartment. Hi guys, we missed our train to Lake Como in 2 minutes. Trying to find somewhere. We are in the central station. It is so big, so come early because it's a pretty big station. We are now waiting for our next train. Our ticket that we bought in Omio up to Lake Como, the train is called Trenord, and the ticket is valid for 6 hours, so we can use that for the next train. You need to come here like at least half an hour before your departure time because the train station is so big and there's a lot of people. You might get lost, and it's good that you have enough time to look for your train and to find it. Also because the time interval is every 1 hour and it's like a long waiting time, so just make sure that you come here early. So big. It is so big. The station is really big. It's like a museum. It's like a whole city. Pretty nice. What are you showing? Nakatulog ka, Bi? Oh. We are now in San Giovanni, and we're just following the crowd. Just go with the flow. There's the flow. It was like a 39 minutes travel time. 39? I think so. Mga half an hour.
Wala pa, uska oras.
Wala, oh, half an hour, oh. Atención. So you stand here. We are now closer to the pier, and we're gonna find some. There's a queue for the ferry. Going there. So my sister is in the line right now. She's in the queue for the ticket. There's a huge line when you arrived in San Giovanni, and if you want to take the ferry, I think it's really smart if you buy the ticket online because there's a huge line and there's no guarantee you will have your place of the ticket. And there's no Wi-Fi, there's no internet, so that sucks for us.
Ticket online kay mo.
Yeah, may Wi-Fi.
Data na daw.
Okay. We managed to buy a round trip ticket to Lazio for 46 euro to adult, 1 kid. It's round trip, it's valid for the whole day. And we take the slow ferry. In online it says it's sold out, but you can buy the ticket here in the ticket office. There's like a huge line, as you can see. So if it says the ticket is sold out online, you can come here and buy the ticket. A lot of people are waiting for the ferry right now, and we're waiting. We don't want to risk not taking the ferry. So see you guys in Lake Bellagio. Bellagio. Finally, after half an hour in line.
Be, suk paunahan dito sa kadai na. Kamay ra gani isda. Tawa nay patay. Nay patay ng isda. Nay patay ng isda dito. Na. Tani.
Oh, pura. Hi guys, we are now in Bellagio. It is so cute. There's like tiny streets here, and now we are looking for some food. So cute shops. I can't believe cars pass here. The road is so small.
Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola zero.
Hi guys, we found a restaurant because some restaurants take break at noon, so you have to watch out for that because they take a siesta or lunch break. And what time is it now? It's 2:30. It's 2:30. It's very hot. And after this, we will go check around and maybe go for a swim. Let's see. It's time to eat our lunch at 2:30 p.m.
Be, ilan to, Be? Be.
Dili dyan sila ko. Discount na to. Nabugo ko sila.
Nag-break na to.
I'm vlogger.
Private propertiness.
Wow, capture. Chang, chang. Lanang. Lupot lang yun. Mega vlogging biya ta din eh.
Ha? Aga
Tara din ang camera.
Hi!
Hi everyone. Welcome to Bellagio. It's very hot in here. We're going to find some stuff. Some place.
Let's go to the app.
Let's go to the upper. Hi.
Hi.
Ciao.
Ing-ing.
Wow. Wow.
Nasa? May paganyan ka pa dong.
Ano to story?
Hindi naman tamo. Tapaw.
Ligo lang, di ra ko malik. So hot. Okay, my sister and Matt, they're taking a swim because we're planning to take a swim. I didn't join them because my period decided to come back. The stupid period decided to come back. So now I have a period and I'm not going to swim. Anyway, we found this random beach and now they're taking a dip and then we're gonna continue walk around the village, the city, the little town. I hope I can buy something for my kids and my husband. Let's see. Lovely view. Just found this. So pretty. So finally, no lines.
Do not come here. Do not come here.
Uy.
Saan yung ho? Ho yun.
Sa kada na mo. This is so pretty. Amazing view. Hello. We just remembered that we didn't pay in the restaurant where we ate lunch. So if we ever find that restaurant again, we're gonna have to pay. We left and they just say thank you and maybe they forgot we didn't pay too. So oh my god, now we feel bad. We didn't pay. This is so weird feeling. But the view is very nice. Nice view. Steps.
1 million.
There's so much stairs. It's a lot of steps. So tired. We're almost there.
Where are we?
We're in there. Found this park. Look at this park, guys. It's so nice. Wow. This is near the pier, as you can see.
Mainom rin eh. May. Tubig ko.
Huh?
Giovedì perché giovedì non ci siamo.
Vabbè, ma giovedì non ci siamo.
For today's video, we missed our ship because we didn't know what time it was leaving. We were 2 minutes late maybe, or 3 minutes late.
We were distracted by the view.
Yeah, and we got lost. And so now we're going to Varena. Now we're going to Varena, and from Varena we're going to take train to the central station because the next departure is 7 or 8 p.m. and it's only 5 p.m. So we'd rather go.
Yeah, and it's
Varena.
2 hours.
Yep. Okay, see you guys in Varena.
We miss our train and we miss
Another falling in line episode. From Varena we'll take the train to Central Station, and then from Central Station we go home. So the train is also 1 hour. Yeah. Thank you, bye-bye.
Thanks.
Now we have a ticket and the train is coming in 15 minutes. If you have this kind of ticket, you still have to validate it, and there's like a officer there, the one in the blue uniform, and they sign the ticket here, so it's validated. You have to make sure your tickets are always validated before hopping on the train, except if you buy the ticket online. Look at that, guys. You have to cross here because this is platform 2. And you should stand here if you're going to Milan Central Station. Now we are standing in platform 2. We just crossed the railway because this is going to Milan.
Vlog na po ka na.
Oh, vlog. We're going to Chinatown. Nagdala kong extra battery eh. We're gonna take a tram to Chinatown. We don't know where's the tram. It's late. Or cancelled. We made it, guys. We were running and we made it in 5 seconds. Now it takes us 17 minutes to the Chinatown. But hopefully it's open. And shops here already. Mood market. Wow. We're almost there. Skiers na, day skiers sila dito na. Oh. Ano sila yun? Chow bao chow. Ah. Bubble tea. I miss you in me. Oh, asa to? Pinoy ni? Quick, Nildas. Pinoy ta gini. Barbecue. Hi, lechon. Guys, we just found the Filipino street food here in Chinatown. They have isaw, kwek, tokneneng, and Shanghai rolls, and lechon, and everything. So happy, guys. Wow, this is in Chinatown in Milan. He gave us for 2 euros and 50
Red horse.
Yes. Pretty. We are promoting Nilda's Filipino street food in Chinatown, Milan, because they give us 3 free rice.
Free rice and discount on Red Horse.
Yay! Street food. First up, we have halo. One is like 8 euros, so this is 16 euro. Halo. That's good. It's melted. Here.
Ay, sorry, Doy.
One. They gave us 3 free rice. This one is kwek. There's 3 pieces inside. Pork barbecue.
No.
We have lumpia Shanghai. Sauce here. Sauce. Muhaniwi. Lechon.
Yes.
Lechon with rice. We have here sisig and rice.